Hi guys, today we are answering this question. Can you only buy products from Alibaba.com? Or is there other things too? Let's find out. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Farah. We talk about building business on Amazon on this channel. If you're interested in that, then please do subscribe. Today is episode 3 of the Alibaba.com series that I'm doing. How to make the best use of this platform for your Amazon FBA business. You can watch episode 1 here where I give you the overview of the platform, the terms that are used on the platform, all that kind of stuff. And episode 2 will be how to best negotiate with the suppliers and get the best prices. I talk about the tips that I have used over time and not just researched over the internet from other people. I have personally used those tips. So make sure you go watch both of these videos. They will be linked in the description below and in the cards above. Also make sure you download this free guide that I've created about Alibaba.com and how to best use this platform. It's all written out in a PDF, so you can download it and use it as a resource. So Alibaba.com is a global trading B2B marketplace where businesses are selling to other businesses from all around the world. And you can find all sorts of products on here. But the topic of today's video is it only products or can you find services too? So that's what I want to explore, and that's why I want to show you how diverse this platform is. So let's jump to my screen and I will show you what kind of services you can find, and you will be amazed. Make sure you don't go anywhere and stick around till the end of the video so you get the full value. Let's jump to my screen. So guys, here we are on the platform. If you go into all categories, you can find all the services, business services listed in here. And then it's all sorts of stuff like graphic designing, freight logistics, freight forwarders, wing speed, FBA shipping, UK import, photography services. So if you just open, let's check the deals here, and then air shipping, creative carpet rug designing, product design services. So you can see that it's like not just products, but a lot of services you can purchase here. Their minimum order is 10 cases or 10 products maybe, but you can find out more details by contacting the supplier. So just contact the supplier, send a query that this is my products, can I get a sample shipped to you, and what will be their charges. And then you may also like all these related services, so they're coming up in here. And then the second sort of service you might need is a shipping agent or a freight forwarder. That will come under freight agents anyway, but this is like the most important kind of a partner that you need in when you're sourcing. Your shipping agent who will organize, or freight forwarder who will organize all your receiving of your products from different suppliers and putting it together and then getting it cleared through customs and, you know, sending it off. That's all their job. So it's good to find a good company and then, you know, keep the relationship going, and then that they can also, you know, sort out your samples and things like that. So you can reach out to a couple of companies. Now, this company saying they do Amazon FBA services, door-to-door international shipping rates, and their rate is something like this. But obviously, this is just to, you know, sort of make you get in touch, and then they will actually quote. Some companies, they have like their minimum order as like 20 kilos as their own inspection service too. So if you just go in here and the production monitoring and inspection services. So here it's similar sort of a service like trade assurance. So when you're creating your order, or your supplier is creating your order for you, they're drawing up the contract. You can tell them that, can you add inspection service too, or you see the option on your account side too, that if you want to add these options in, you can. So there's two service types. There's two service types. So there's production monitoring that starts from $48 US, and then inspection service that starts from $118 US, and then these are their partners. Like these three companies are the partners with the Alibaba.com, where they are. This is it. So when you're this is your trade assurance order. So that's exactly what it looks like, and then you can just add service. Click on this button, and then you can just add your service in, and then complete the payment and everything. So this is by like Alibaba.com themselves, and not any like that's their inspection service that they've put together, just like trade assurance. Just to, give confidence to the buyers from world over that, this is a trustworthy platform and you can use it. Other than that, I've also used this for sample consolidation, looking for companies who can put all my samples together from different regions into one box, and then I only end up paying one self shipment. I will go into further details in a different video, how this process works, but yeah, you can find companies who deal with this too. And the last service you might need for your Amazon business is FBA prep services, the labeling, and getting your products the way Amazon wants to receive them, following all their rules. And then you can get in touch with different companies who do this. Wingspeed, all sort of different companies are popping up in here. So you can get in touch with them and just find out what are their FBA services are. Can they prepare your product, put it together, do the labeling and everything. And yeah, so there's all sorts of, like, you can get photography done, like I showed you guys. You can find your shipping agent from here, inspection, FBA prep. And then, if you needed other different kinds of, services, you just have to look by region, where are you based, and then find out from there, like, would you be able to find a company? But like, you can find a sourcing agent in Korea. How about that? Or let's keep looking. There's all sorts of like different services you can use with this platform. So like I've said in previous episodes of this series too, the more you use this platform, the more you will find it easier and get comfortable with it. The other service I wanted to show you guys was the logistics service. So there's production, monitoring, trade assurance. We've covered these. The logistics service is basically powered by Freightos. That's their partnership with Alibaba.com. And then what you can see here is it's available in these regions: North America, Europe, and Australia. And then you can basically get a quote really, really quickly. You just compare and book, upload your documents, and track your order. And it's pretty simple. Get instant quotes from multiple shipping modes, so less than a container load, a full container load. And then air freight. So depending on what sort of service you're looking for, you can get, quotes for all three types. So all you have to do is just sign into your account, and then you will arrive here. So I've already signed in, and you can see you will arrive in your your account, and then you have to start filling out these details for the calculator to be able to show you all the quotes. So you have to declare, is it hazardous shipment, like it's got batteries or liquids, or it's not personal shipment. This service is only for commercial shipments. And then you add your trade assurance order in here. And then you can let them know that you're shipping to an FBA warehouse, and how many boxes, crates, pallets, or is it a container load. Then you can tell them it's a 24 container, 44 container, whatever the type is. And then let me just put this out. And then the origins and destination details and all of that. But it's pretty quick to get a quote from here. And it's all part of the services are available to buy on this platform. Oh, so there you go, guys. I hope I've given you some food for thought, and you will go ahead and make use of these resources that I'm creating for you guys. And yeah, make sure you download the guide that I've mentioned. It's about Alibaba.com, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.